Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I went from dark black hair to very vibrant orange hair. Keep watching. At my hair. So first things first, we're going to get a 20 volume developer. You can get this at Sally's. Make sure you guys get gloves, guys. And also what I just showed right now was the Wella packets. I got 2 for my hair, which is pretty long in this video. It's just bleach. So you're gonna get those 2 products and you're gonna mix them in together. So I already put the powder in there. Now I'm mixing in the 20 volume developer. If you can always do 30 as well. I think I only did 20 at this time because that's all I had in my cabinet. You're gonna mix that in really well. Make sure you guys follow directions in the back of the bottles to see how much portions you guys should put. I usually just eyeball it, but like I said, I'm not professional. Do not. Okay, yeah, anyway, so and then I'm also gonna put some conditioner in there into the mix and mix it up as well, just so that way the bleach is not as harsh on my hair. Help it out a little bit. So you're gonna mix that in as well, and then this is when you're gonna start applying the hair product. The product on your hair. And how I do it is I go sections by sections, and I make sure that the bottom ends, like the tips, are very drenched. So they're very drenched in bleach. And then as I go higher up to the roots, I put less and less product. And then eventually towards the top, I kind of just brush it in a little bit. I brush in the product. That way it gives, like, in the end, when you put the hair dye and everything, it gives it like an ombre effect. Okay, so I'm about to show you just an example. Like, this is what I mean by brushing it in. Just kind of like in different sections. Slowly brush it into your hair as you get closer to the roots, and then towards the end just kind of massage the bleach in there. Now we're gonna do the other section of bleach. I try to do it pretty fast because the bleach starts taking effect pretty quickly. So yeah, this is the bleaching part. So now I'm just gonna put it up and I'm gonna let it stay like this with the bleach in my hair for a good 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now that it's bleached once. I probably honestly could have gotten away with one more extra bleach. But anyways, besides the point, go ahead and I blow dried it. I blow dried it so that I can get it dry, so I can get it started for the second process, which is dyeing it orange. Alright guys, so how we're going to achieve the actual orange hair is you're going to get the brand Loreal for dark hair only. You can get this product from Sally's. I believe it's like $6 each, I'm not sure. But you're going to get the colors Copper Red, which is H10, and Sizzling Copper. And you're going to mix those 2 together with the developer of your choice. So you're going to continue to mix all the products together. I did again use 20 developer. You can probably use 30 just for a brighter effect. But keep in mind, guys, that I did have to do this whole process twice. Not the bleaching part, but the dyeing it orange part. I had to do it twice to get the wanted. So same thing here. I usually just start at the ends. I make sure that the ends are really drenched in like the product. And then I work my way up. However, with the orange hair dye, I do go all the way to the roots. And I massage it everywhere. But I always start at the bottom. And guys, please ignore how many times I blink. I don't know why I do that. I don't know if maybe there's a condition. Let me know. Let me know if there's a condition where why people blink a lot, because apparently I do that. And I can tell you this much right now, with the orange hair dye, when you guys mix it together and are applying it to your hair, that stuff will be burning your eyes. Towards the end, just make sure you pick up the whole product. Leave it in for, I would say, 40 minutes. Like I said, I did this process twice in order for me to get the results that I wanted. So if you guys decide to try it out, let me know how it works out or not. whatever you guys want. But this was my experience and this is the results I got, which I honestly loved.